Nĩ mĩaka 5 mĩhĩtũku kuuma gĩthurano kĩa mwaka wa 2013 gĩtirĩhwo. Na ndamathia ya ungumania ĩrĩa yagũmĩire ũtabania wa gĩthurano kĩu nĩcokereire maabitha a kamĩtĩ ya IEBC arĩa marũgamĩrĩire gĩthurano kĩu.
And it normally comes under voter registration.
Mũrũgamĩrĩri mũnene wa IEBC Ezra Chiroba agĩkora haceke gũtarĩria mamwe ma marĩhi marĩa matabanirio nĩ kamĩtĩ ĩyo, ĩrĩa yatongoragio nĩ James Oswago ta mũrũgamĩrĩri mũnene na ũrĩa wang'etheirwo nĩ thitango cia ungumania thutha wa kũhagũrwo kuma wabici.
You come into office after the elections as the CEO of the organization. The previous CEO is taken to court for malpractices based on the same issues. You go further ahead and pay $2.5 million to the same people who have brought items that never functioned during the elections. What informed you?
Why was this contract prepared in a very casual way? And looking at page 39, who was this person who signed the contract?
So in your due diligence, were you convinced that there was justification for that to happen?
I was only 4 months old at that particular time, and their payment processing was actually at the tail end. I made this process at a very advanced stage, Mr. Chair. But I did not make the payment immediately, because I thought it was incumbent upon me to undertake a bit of due diligence, given the controversy that arose.
Ũrĩhi wa ciringi milioni 250 kũrĩ kambuni ya Face Technologies kuma South Africa. Cia macini cia BVR ũgĩkĩrĩrwo mũku nĩ ambunge aingĩ. Kĩũria kĩnene arĩ kana kĩgĩna kĩu nĩ kĩahũthĩkire na njĩra ĩrĩa yagĩrĩire kuona macini icio nĩ ciagire kũruta wĩra mũthenya wa gĩthurano wa kinya.
How did the commission go ahead and make payments in the year 2014 and 15 when there were issues to be addressed?
How powerful was this company? Because listening to the CEO, it is actually the company, the contractor, that proposed the changes. How come then the contractor proposes the changes and then the Kenyan people have to bear the cost of those changes?
Was this Face Technologies that was contracted actually the South African company or another one? And was it competently contracted in view of this contradiction?
I was not the only one who was involved in this. In fact, by the time we were making the payment, there was intervention from the National Treasury, where they had conducted what we call an audit on all pending bills, which was basically to verify any payments that were legitimate before the payment was made.
Ũndũ ũngĩ ũmũrĩkirwo nĩ kamĩtĩ ĩno ya PAC nĩ ngari cia ũkui wa mathandũkũ na maratathi ma gũikĩria kura. Riboti ya mũthũrimu wa mathabu ma thirikari Edward Ouko ĩkĩonania milioni 50 nĩcio ciahũthĩkire ũru kandarathi-inĩ ĩno.
Chair, honestly, the amount we are talking about, for example, now calculating the 75 trucks, we are talking about 434,000 per day, per vehicle. Are we dealing with trucks here or private jets?
I think later on we will be asking ourselves, have we seen any improvements? Are we making any progress in terms of strengthening the IEBC procurement and financial management systems?
Nĩ kumana na ũthũrimi ũrĩu kamĩtĩ ya IEBC yendekithĩtie mogarũrũku makĩria gũtabanio thĩinĩ wa kamĩtĩ ĩno, makĩria harĩ gũtigĩrĩra kĩgĩna kĩa mũingĩ nĩ kĩahũthĩka na njĩra ĩrĩa yagĩrĩire ithurano-inĩ ciũkĩte. Ngĩribotera Kameme TV, njĩtagwo Mwaũra wa Gunya.